This is a ram air turbine. It is a small, fold-out device that looks unassuming, but it's a marvel of engineering. When an aircraft loses power, the rat deploys from its hidden compartment, usually under the fuselage or wing. Spinning rapidly in the wind, it generates the necessary power to operate essential systems like hydraulics, flight controls, and basic electrics. This compact, yet powerful device transforms the kinetic energy from the airstream into electricity, ensuring that pilots can maintain control and perform a safe emergency landing. In some models, it can even keep crucial navigation and communication equipment operational.